Hello. So I just got these aftermarket levers because these that I have on the bike right now are a little bit scuffed up on the ends. They were by Speed Metal, but they're discontinued right now. And also, the adjusters have faded from the sun. So this is the ones I'm gonna be putting on. FTRT. They're on Amazon for like 30 something dollars, which you can't really beat. At first I was going to go with MZS, but there was a little bushing right here that kept locking up on a lot of people, and it would lock their brakes up. They would go down. I'm not about that life. So this one, the brake's always been easiest for me, so I'm doing it first. Okay. Same way that went out. This one will go in. Then screw it back in. I'm gonna try to get a better screwdriver this time. If I can find one. There we go. That last one took forever. There's a little wiggle in these. Honestly, it's not bad. It's just minimal. I think I can deal with that. Let's check these positions. All the way down in 6. Three's a little better. I think I'll stick with 3. Yeah, those have the best feel in my opinion right now. Yeah, and the look, it's a little glossier than I thought it would be, but it still matches the red of the bike. Okay, we're good. Now for the clutch. This is the pain. I'll put this over here. So the screw is on the bottom with this one. Hold the bolt. So a little bit better clearance. Now we're just gonna loosen this bolt under the bottom. Okay, so that's out. That's inside. Now, you want to take this and adjust it as far out as you can to put some slack in the line. Okay, then when you get as far as you can, you want these, I'll rotate this to the side so you can see. You want this groove to match up here. There we go. So that way the line's exposed. You can bring this up. Bring this out. Okay, I'm gonna grab the other lever first so I don't screw anything up. Out of that one. Into this one. There's a little button right here. This is when the clutch is pulled in, so that you don't always have to start in neutral. If this is out of place, you have to start in neutral every time. So this has to be pushed in when you go to put this around. There you go. We're just gonna stick this in here for a place saver because it wants to keep on coming back out. grease back on under here. And there we go. That doesn't look bad at all. It's a lot better than the scuffed up old ones, and faded at that. The thing is, it's a greasy job, but you want to try to preserve as much grease as possible that's on these two bolts. You want that lubrication there. But if you ever need something to get some grease off your hands, this stuff is amazing. It's at Walmart, like $6. It's called Fast Orange, and I swear it can take the white off rice. And this is not a sponsorship. They're not paying me for this. It's cheap. It works well. What's not to like about it? Well, that's it on this project. I just got tired of looking at those old levers. And I'm going to put around some subdivisions around here and make sure the levers are working okay before I take it like on the highway. I'm thinking it'll work well though. We'll see. Okay, just kidding guys. So I just used this Fast Orange and this is my hands now. This stuff is a miracle worker on grind. I missed the spot, but there we go. It's amazing. Now, for real, I'm out this time. I just put on these FTRT levers in my last video, and right now I'm just testing them out just in case they backfire and the brake doesn't engage like it's supposed to, or it locks up. I'm just putting around the subdivision. I might still adjust this clutch a little bit though. Yeah, clutch isn't that bad. The brake feels a little, yeah, I might just put it in a different position. Got a little more bite in one. Let's try one. But overall the feel, they're a little bit wobbly. Whoa. They're a little bit wobbly, but I could deal with that for the price point. $40. Yeah, I can definitely deal with that for $40. These need to be further out. And that brake felt mushy. There we go. I'm keeping it in 3. And the red is a little glossy, so it won't really. I have a Honda CBR 500 also, and I kind of compared it with that red. Just a little. It'll go with it, but it's not an exact match if you're a Honda rider looking at these levers. It's not that far from it. Like, it doesn't look pinkish. Yeah, I'm not sure what else all you can really say about levers. They're not ASVs. They're not Vortex. I mean, I have small hands for a guy, like really small. So, yeah, insert joke there. Anyway, so I really can't reach that far out. So shorties, like adjustable shorties, are a must for me. If you're on a budget, don't want to break the bank, you don't care about them being just a little bit wobbly. You don't even realize it's wobbly until you pull up on them. They're not going anywhere. I like these and I'm going to keep them on this bike. And I'll update this video if these turn out to be horrible later on.